Advanced Manufacturing Pneumatics by Fund2 gives users hands-on experience with common pneumatic actuators, control valves, assistive equipment, and air supplies. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the application. Within Settings, you can change the preferred language. Look for this guide of key techniques, and when finished, the application will close here. Let's begin by selecting an actuator such as the air motor as seen here. A new window will open and exploration can begin. Using the front center button of your stylus, pick up the model. In the upper right corner, notice the text box containing further explanation, strengths, weaknesses, and common usages of the model selected. You will also notice each text box contains a schematic symbol or drawing of the component selected. You will later use this knowledge of schematic symbols in the circuit building exercises. Below the model, you will see options to change the view of the model you wish to explore. Select Principal to make the model transparent and begin the animation of airflow through the motor. Select Exploded View to see the individual parts and how they all fit together. To move the exploded parts in unison, select Move here. The Section option essentially cuts the model in half to see inside. Sectioning a model begins the discussion about machining operations that may have been used to create the component. Perspective turns the selected part of the component transparent, while the Hide option deletes sections of the model to open it up for further exploration. Continue to select models of actuators, control valves, assistive equipment, and air supplies. Be sure to activate all of these options to fully enjoy viewing pneumatic components through the magic of zSpace. One of the key features of this application is the pneumatic circuit building feature, allowing you to practice building pneumatic circuits. By selecting tasks, the schematic symbols that you learned previously are displayed to assist you with your component selections and circuit design. Components may be selected from here to be placed on the board. Components matching the schematic symbols will have a green background, while the incorrect selections will appear red. When your selections are complete, the lines may be connected. If the correct components are positioned properly, the air will flow. Continue to practice and prove proficiency as you enjoy Advanced Manufacturing Pneumatics by Fund2.